got here. So if you're gonna leave, but remember, the average donation for a jump like this is $20. If you don't have the 20, that's good. If you don't have 210, then we are gonna take your jump. First we're gonna come around. If you don't have cash, before you got cash out, Venmo, PayPal, everything. Show your love. Here we go. And that is let's fly. And that is what this guy gonna have
Excuse me, can I walk here?
Start the show again. From who? Yo, stop playing, man. Jersey! Start the show. From who, Jack? Yeah, Washington. Thank you, Washington. Thank you. Everyone else gonna get it to you. Stop the show. From who? Yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you. Here we go, Bruce. Stop the show. From who? The first state makes some days from Delaware. They used to live in Smyrna. Stop the show. Stop the show. From who? Make some noise. Stop the show. From who? Get some more. I think she likes you. Stop the show. From who? Make some noise for Montreal. Oh yeah. Now fellas, turn around, face me. Stop the music. Face me. Now listen up, step up. One more, two. Perfect. Now listen up. This is the insurance line. Everyone donated except for you guys. Now we only care about women and children. Come here, buddy. Dave, stand right here, you're safe. Now listen up. 20 will save you and put you in the front safe. 50 to 100, you can leave and never come back. $1,000, you can take me home. I'm flexible either way. Where you from? Miami. Would you like to show some love? This should be easy. That's the retirement state. 20 bucks? That was easy. Do it again. I'm kidding. Get over there. Get next to David. Where you from, handsome? Canada. Yeah, this is definitely easy. You got free health care. Get your sexy ass over there, Canada. No, don't separate the family. Keep them together. Don't break up a happy home. Okay, you want to? Where you from? Long Island? I'm from Short Island. Get over there, Long Island. Oh my gosh! Where you from? Florida. Come on, Florida. Let's do it. Come here.
Do that.
Hey, he got that movie here. Watch this. Bam! and snap right back. Watch, one more time, watch. Bang. Get back over there, get over there. Step up. Where you from? Delaware, the first state. I used to live in Smyrna, Dover. I used to go to Rehoboth Beach all the time. Yeah, all the time. Get over there. Where you from? Okay, let's go, Canada.
So, alright,
okay, get over there.
So go on. So then
It's
don't
okay.
so.
Bang.
She just wants to hide you all.
Any confirmation? Yeah, you gotta put a note. All right, let me go. I said put a note. Who put fuck?
Hello.
Yeah, I like that. I like that. J-Day. J-Day all day. My nephew right here doing it up. You know what I'm saying? All about this. All about this.
Thank you. So your outfit and this color super much and super beautiful.
Yeah, perfect, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
I got it! Hey, go! Go! Tighten up! Keep your head down! Let me control you! Slide over, buddy! You don't want to look at this! Who didn't have? Okay, you go over there. Head down. Slide up. Perfect. Let's do it. Let's go. For the last time. Here we go. Everybody clap your hands. Clap. Energy, guys. Here we go. Everybody clap. Stand up. Ladies and gentlemen, there's only one race in the world today. And what's that? The human race. That's ourselves. Thank you and God bless. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. Yes. Thank you guys. He was brave.
So what? You fucking water. Doesn't matter. There's the Disney store over there.
That's a bus? Right.